Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to learn prevention of communicable diseases. Okay? Prevention of communicable diseases. Communicable diseases. Previous class we learned diseases. Yes, communicable diseases. Yes? Diseases are the two types: communicable diseases and non-communicable diseases. Already we discussed these two types of diseases. Today we are going to learn prevention of communicable diseases. Prevention of communicable diseases. Germs of certain diseases. Germs of certain diseases stay on articles. Stay on articles. Germs stay on articles like cloths, combs, towels, and toys used by a patient. Are you understand, children? And germs of certain diseases. Some diseases stay on articles like clothes, combs, towels, and toys. These things used by a patient, all such articles are the infected. All such articles, including the linen, clothes, also infected. Yes, and mustn't be disinfected or boiled to kill the germs. In these things, boiled to kill germs. Boiled to kill germs. The floor and walls and walls of the rooms. Walls of the room must be spread with a disinfectant. I understand, children? And germs like diseases articles like in cloths, combs, towels, and toys used by a patient. All such articles, including the linen or clothing, also infected. Yes, must be these cloths and towels be disinfected or boiled to kill germs. Okay, the floor and walls of the room must be spread with a disinfectant. Next point. All cases of infectious diseases, all cases of infections vallana vastundi. Yes, diseases, and must be reported to the civic authorities so that precautions can be taken to prevent them. Okay, precautions can be taken to prevent their spread in the area. Must and should any infected diseases, you taken precautions. Okay, precautions can be taken to prevent their spread in the area. Area ki spread avakunda can taken precautions. Okay, should be taken precautions. And next, children suffering from any communicable diseases. Children must be suffering from communicable diseases should stay away from the school. Until they are fully recovered. Are you understand, children? Children suffering from any communicable diseases and should stay away from the school till they are fully recovered. Okay, and progress in the field of medicines and immunizations have helped us to get rid of many diseases. And progress in the field of medicine and immunization Progress of field of medicine and immunization have helped us to get rid of many diseases. And we should make efforts to prevent the we should must efforts or make efforts to prevent the breeding of germs. To prevent the breeding of germs. Breeding of germs means personal and environmental cleanliness prevent the breeding of germs. Personal and environmental cleanliness prevent the breeding of germs. Destruction of mosquitoes and their breeding grounds, and it's the best solution for protection from these default diseases. We should must efforts to prevent the breeding of germs. Breeding of germs means personal and environmental cleanliness and prevent the breeding of germs, and destruction of mosquitoes. Destruction of mosquitoes and breeding grounds. The best solution for protection from these dreadful diseases. These are the prevention of communicable diseases and methods of prevention. Methods of prevention. And houses should be airy and open, fresh air and sunlight. Okay, I understand. Houses should be airy and open. Methods of prevention. Houses should be airy, very well light and fresh air and sunlight or natural disinfects. I understand. Houses should be airy and well light, fresh air, sunlight, or these are the natural disinfects. Next point, a supply of clean and germ-free water for drinking and cooking is essential for health. It is the second main point, children, for health. Methods of prevention. First point, house should be airy, well light, fresh air and sunlight. These are the natural disinfectants, and a supply of clean and germ-free water for drinking and cooking. It is essential for our health. Impure water should be boiled 10 to 15 minutes and after stored. Yes, impure water boiled 10 to 15 minutes after stored clean vessels. Clean and covered clean vessels and the vessels covered containers. Clean and covered containers. Understand? Impure water boiled 10 to 15 minutes after stored, clean and covered containers. And water filters can also used for purifying water. Water filter also used for purifying water. Okay. Third point. What is the third point? Impure water boiled 10 to 15 minutes, stored, and after stored, these clean and covered containers. In this water. Water filter can be also used for purifying water. And next point. Chlorination is a way of purifying huge quantity అంటే ఎక్కువ మోతాదులో క్లోరినేషన్ అనేది ప్యూరిఫైయింగ్ కి వాడకూడదు. ఓకే, హ్యూజ్ quantity. Chlorination is a way of purifying huge quantity of drinking water. Okay. First point, children, how should we air it? And sunlight and fresh air, these are the natural disinfectants. And second point, and they supply clean and germ free water for drinking and cooking for our health. And impure water should be 10 to 15 minutes boiled and after stored, clean and covered containers. Next point, water filter can be also used to purify water, and chlorination is a way of purifying huge quantity of drinking water. Next point, germs in milk are killed by pasteurization. The milk is heated at high temperature for at the least half an hour. Germs in milk also killed by pasteurization. The milk in high temperature. Which temperature, children? High temperature for at least half an hour. Boil at least half an hour. Boil. Then after cooled down quickly, and this kills harmful bacteria. In this process kills harmful bacteria. All understand, children? Milk is heated at high temperature. At least half an hour. And then cooled. Then after cooled down quickly. This kills harmful bacteria. Okay, it is the main point. Germs in milk also killed by pasteurization. A process name antam pasteurization antam. Milk is heated in high temperature half an hour. Minimum half an hour heated the milk. Next, after cooled down quickly. In this process kills the harmful bacteria. This process is called as pasteurization. Next point, breeding of flies and mosquitoes prevented in near our house. Breeding of flies and mosquitoes prevented in near the house. These flies and mosquitoes are the spread the diseases like malaria, dengue. Okay, is okay. Breeding of flies and mosquitoes prevented near the house, and we can dissolve the pollute your food and water. These are flies, mosquitoes are the flies and mosquitoes pollute food and water, food and water, and rooms should have wire netted. Wire rooms and doors, windows should be wire netted doors, wire netted windows. Okay, I understand. These are the methods of prevention, and some more there. Here, see children. Toilets and bathrooms. Toilets, bathrooms must be cleaned and disinfected regularly. The stop of breeding of mosquitoes and water must not be allowed to strange. Mosquitoes lay eggs in standing water. Mosquitoes lay in standing water. To destroy the mosquitoes larvae, and the surface of water, in the tanks, ponds must be spread with oil, and use a mosquito net and mosquito repellent at night. Okay, kitchens must be rid of all insects. Kitchens must be rid of all insects. Floor must be swept. Every day, and drains must be covered. Dustbins, okay, must be covered. Are you understand, children? This is the methods of prevention. Once again, I repeat you methods of prevention. And a house should be airy and well light and fresh air. It is a natural disinfectant, and our clothes also, mats. These are also everyday clean door mats, windows, mats. Okay, these all are the must and should washed regularly. And next point, impure water, germs-free water. Heat, boil the water, and after these water stored clean and covered containers. Okay, and mosquitoes and flies, polluted food and water. Okay, these are the must and should. Containers means food ni cover cheyali. Okay na, food bowls ni వీటన్నిటిని కవర్ చేయాలి. అలానే డోర్స్ కి, విండోస్ కి వైర్ నెట్టెడ్ విండోస్ ని, వైర్ నెట్టెడ్ డోర్స్ ని పెట్టుకోవాలి. ఓకే, దీస్ ఆర్ ది prevention of the methods of prevention communicable diseases. Prevention of communicable diseases. These are the methods. You can follow these methods. You all to stay healthy. Okay. Next, vaccination. Vaccination is another way of prevention, protecting ourselves. Vaccination is protection of another way of protection ourselves for acquiring immunity. Okay, the acquiring immunity and against certain diseases, and there are vaccines available for diseases like diphtheria. Vaccines available: diphtheria, cholera, typhoid, tetanus, polio, measles, and mumps, and hepatitis, pulse, polio. These are the immunization campaign. Okay, established by the government of India in 1994 to eradicate. Okay, polio by vaccinating from time to time all children under the age of 5, or give oral polio drops. Okay, against polio virus. And this campaign proved to be successful, and the incidence of polio in India has decreased increased dramatically. We must get ourselves vaccinated as a protection against these diseases. Okay, there are national programs to eradicate communicable diseases. If we take care of ourselves and our surroundings, we can stay healthy. Okay, we take care of ourselves and our surroundings and we can stay healthy. Remember children this one. Remember, prevention is better than cure. Better than cure. Okay, remember children, always prevention is better than cure. We take care of ourselves and our surroundings, we can stay healthy and our surroundings members also stay healthy. Are you understand children? This is the methods of prevention and the second lesson food and health. Okay, already we discussed balanced diet and regular exercise, enough rest, diseases. These are the two types of diseases: communicable diseases, non-communicable diseases. This prevention of communicable diseases also today discussed. Have you understand